Good morning, Kentwood.
Today's October 24th.
I'm Madison.
I'm Rena. And you're
It's homecoming week!
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please be seated.
I'm kind of hungry, Rena. What's for lunch?
For lunch, we have barbecue turkey sandwich and fries.
Kentwood Orchestra presents Spooky Strings. It will be held next Tuesday, October 28th in the Kentwood Commons.
Your $10 tickets include admission and desserts to die for. This is a big and major event, so make sure you buy the tickets from an orchestra student or at the door.
It's that time of year, Kentwood.
Kentwood is having their trick or treat on the roundabout, and we need volunteers.
It'll be held October 30th from 5 to 7.
If you want to sign up, use this QR code right here.
The deadline's tomorrow, and also remember this is a food service project.
Be there or be square.
Homecoming dance is tomorrow, the 25th, from 7 to 10. You must have your ticket, your ID, and if you're bringing guests, they must enter with you. No one will be admitted after 9:30.
There's going to be a tailgate today at 5:30 p.m. by the KM tennis courts. There'll be food trucks, free tattoos, and some spirit wear. Guys, the game starts at 7 p.m. We're hunting bears, so wear your camo, guys! And the homecoming court will be announced during halftime.
Hey Gongs, I'm headed to an assembly this afternoon and I think you are too. So before we go there, here's some expectations. Number 1, respect your speaker when they're speaking. No noise, listen to them while they speak. Number 2, sit in your section. The sections are marked with papers on the top of the gym wall. Number 3, cheer when the spirit can is open, and when it's closed, sit down. Finally, Gongs, be decked out in your camo. I look forward to seeing you at the homecoming assembly. Let's make this the best homecoming assembly we've had. It's great to be alive. It's great to be a comic.
Who's calling it? Who's calling it?
I'm Lynn, and I'm here with.
I'm Dana.
I'm Lamar, and today is game prediction day. What do you guys think?
I think it's gonna be 100-0 blowout. Kentwood wins. Snare the Bears to Homa. Get on my head. I think it'll be a close one. Probably 42 to 36 or something. But I think we'll win.
Homecoming spirit, yes. Thanks, guys.
What's good, Soldier Boys?
Hey.
Soldier Boy, what do you think the score is going to be?
36 to 6. 36-6. 16 to 6. Us. We're winning. Yeah, we're winning.
No, bro. Thanks, Soldier Boy.
I can't drive yet.
I'm Sabine. I'm here with
Yeah.
Yaya. What's your predictions for this week's game?
50-0.
Who's winning?
Kentwood.
Okay.
I'm Lynn, and I'm here with.
Grace. Kalia.
And today's segment is game predictions. What do you guys think? What's the score? Are you getting smacked or are they getting smacked?
On Friday?
I think Tahoma's getting smacked.
Tahoma's getting BTA.
What's the score?
Go crazy.
What's the score?
42 to 16.
6-7 to 41.
Hi, I'm Sabine. I'm here with.
I'm Lily.
Do you think we're gonna win this weekend? A week?
Definitely. I think we're gonna win.
What do you think the score is gonna be?
Oh, I say I think it's gonna be close. I think it's gonna be 20, 22 or something like that. I think it's gonna be really close.
What's good, Elephant Man? What's good, bro? Elephant Man. How do you think the Tahoma game gonna go?
Straight bail. They're gonna be sad after the game.
How you feel about this juice?
I don't know, bro. I'm mad.
We finna win. That's what's gonna happen.
Say that. Say it.
We finna win.
Yeah, good boy.
Absolute, dude.
Thanks.
Amla latte, Hoko.
Sorry, I'm going with Big Macs.
That's it for today, Kentwood. Let's make today a great day.
It's great to be alive.
It's great to be a conch.